How to make half circle text in Canva. The first thing you want to do after you have added your text, which you can do that by going over to the left hand menu option and selecting text, you're going to tap on the text bar. Then all I want you to do is select effects from the top right hand corner, and you're going to scroll down until you see the option curve from the left hand menu option. You're going to tap on curve, then scroll down a bit more, and from there you can pull along the slider either to the right or to the left, as you can see there. So you can select where you would like the half circle to be. So you can see it right there. I would like it like this. After doing that, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share, and from there you can continue downloading it. Or if you'd like to make further changes, you can continue doing that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.